Hello everybody. After all the cleaning and repairing on the ceiling fans out here on the patio, it's time to give them a test. You can go through all speeds and then do a high and off spin down. Power is on. Let's start them out. I think they're going to be on high. Everything's looking pretty good so far. Let's go down to medium. Bluetooth speaker was booting up what that noise was, so medium's working. And of course that one furthest from us is a little bit slower running unit. So let's go on to low. And that looks like that speed's working fine as well. I'll go ahead and turn them off, let them spin down from low, and then we'll crank them back up to high. And that is looking pretty good. Let's go to high. And to spin down. And of course I've got one more little trick before I close this video out. Flip the blades and let them run an updraft, and then power them off once more. And the testing should be concluded for the Patio Hunter Originals, the 81 and the 82. So this concludes the patio ceiling fan testing for 2026. Thank you for watching.